Hello Misfits land, this is Lord Twisted coming your way again. This video tutorial is being created and filmed right now as a courtesy to our valued Misfits and MPGS members who have chimed in with me both by way of Facebook Messenger and Facebook Direct, asking me the simple question, and this isn't against them at all. I can see why this question would be poised. These people want to know nothing other than how to post on the forum. Again, this isn't against them, this isn't stupidity, this isn't anything. No judgment whatsoever. I don't blame these individuals for approaching me and asking me this simple question on how to post on the forum. It's a new system to most who have become social media dependent upon such things as, say, clan support. This type of a format would be new, very foreign, lunar, and alien to them. And I don't mind the question, and I'm going to try to answer to those who have asked, how do I post on the thing? I'm going to try to make this as clear and as simple as I can for those valued members who have asked. Of course, if it's forum, you need a web browser, and if you've already touched the forum, you got that handled. So on the upper top row of my desktop, got Chrome. Let's just launch right into that bad boy and see if we can help these people out. Again, right on the left side, if you want to post, that means you're in a topic specified area and you want to chit chat about it. You got something to say, you want to talk. So, we'll say you're inside, right here, Battle of Warships area, board, General Bow Talk. We will hit in there and say, like, you know, what I posted. I posted a little video the other day. Now, say like I wasn't myself, say like I'm you, and I want to say, hey, good job on that. I got two different ways I can go about doing this. I can use the quick reply box down below my post here in white, this area right here, the quick reply. I can use that to do a quick reply and just get the cursor blinking in there and say like I had something to say, but in this instance I'll just use the word test. We'll pretend that's a couple sentences. It's basically saying, good job, Lord Twisted, you know, awesome video, all that kind of stuff. No, I'm not patting myself on the back. It's just an average video. But say like that's it. Now, if I want to post on that real quick without getting into the regular post dialog feature, I would just hit this post quick reply button right there and see, boom, it takes me right there. It lowers me down to what I posted a few seconds ago. The word test, we'll just pretend that's a couple sentences. That's how you do a quick reply or talk here on the forum at an already topic specified area. Now, if you wanted to add smileys or add a video or add an image, you can't do it through the quick reply box here down below. It can only be done through, get over here, you see where it says select smiley? You see that reply word, the word reply right above? Hit that. Now it launched you right into the regular reply or talk box. Here the subject's already been specified, a little bow play. You don't ever have to worry about that. Just tap the dialog box down below those buttons. You'll see your white cursor flashing, and then right here say like I got a couple sentences, I got something to say. We'll pretend the word test is a couple sentences. So I've just said what I want to say on this, you know, again, you know, good video, hey, you know, could have done better or whatever, and I'm done. Then what I would do is I would get into this create post right there. Hit on create post. We'll do that again, create post. And there we go. See? Now I have test above that was done with the quick reply box, and then I have the word test that was done with the regular dialog box. You have two different ways of going about posting on the forum. Quick reply or the regular. So this was a two for one tutorial video. You now know how to post or talk or reply in the quick reply box. You now know how to post, talk, and reply with the regular dialogue feature. I hope this video has been helpful to those who just want to simply talk to other people here on the forum. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your forum memberships. Thank you for your support. And with that, I bid you adieu. The next tutorial related video will be how one might go about loading an image as a signature in your personal portfolio area, in your profile area. As you see here, it says Misfits Lord Twisted, Fear My Yamato. That's a signature. That next video will help cover how you can put one of those in to that area as well. Thank you very much for your time. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.